somebody's missing. We lost our child in the mall. Where is your child? We're one child left. We can't find our child in the mall. Ah! Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Say morning fam bam.
Good morning everybody.
Yes. Hello? Sarah? Alright, let's give Sarah a zoom. Let's give you a zoom, Sarah. There we go. Serious face. Can't see her properly. You guys, we woke up this morning and got our workouts in, and I am so proud of this man right here. Babe ran. He wanted to limit himself and I pushed him a little bit. Wanted to
Sleep.
He was like, no, I want to sleep. I'm like, get up, get up, get up. I was a real drill sergeant this morning. Get up. And he did. He said, I'm a witch.
Witch to her husband.
How dare you? But I'll continue to be that witch until we get them results. I have to be there for you. If I don't be there for you, you won't be there for yourself. Okay? So you call me a witch, and then when you see the results, you go, yeah, baby, look at me. Wait, he's gonna have so much fun when them results starts coming in. So I'll continue to be a witch without apology and with zero care. Anyway, you guys, workout was good this morning. So that was really good this morning. I'll insert a clip to let you guys see a little bit of what we did this morning. The weekend and we are out in the streets. We're heading to the mall right now actually to run a few errands, and then we'll see what else we do for the rest of the day. But whatever it is, of course, you have to watch to see what it is. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. It is sunny today, y'all. It's sunny today. It's very hot outside. It's saying it's 60 degrees, 16 degrees. It's hot. Oh, and it's nap time for somebody. Somebody want the pacifier. See it here, yay, nap time. It's Sarah's nap time. We leave just as our Atsy's about to be her nap time, so she's going to nap right now. Anyway, you guys, I am wearing my Afro Queen earring today, and I put my hair up just right for my earrings. This is the same Bantu knot out from yesterday, still popping. Anyway, you guys, we'll catch you guys along the rest of today's vlog. His loves for Spider-Man. As we come in the mall, look what he sees. Hello, Spidey. Whenever we come to this mall, I like to climb on this thing. Okay. We're at the new mall, and it's, of course, Sarah is knocked out. It's nap time. She loves to sleep with her dodo over her head. Look at the view from up here. That's the beach right there. And people on the beach to show you how good the weather is outside. To do what? Tyler said he's hiding me. Hello. Found you. Somebody's missing. We lost our child in the mall. Where is your child? We're one child left. We can't find our child in the mall. Ah! Just kidding, y'all. Tyler is at a daycare in the mall and he's so excited. He's been wanting to go to this daycare from last week, but we didn't have the store, the mall card. But we got the card. Don't we forget it today. Babe, find something on his phone to prove that Tyler is 4 years old, because the daycare is from what age to what age? 4 to what? Okay, so bonjour. So he finally got this one, big one like this. I think you should get him a big one, something that he can see. So he's at, let go. So he's at the daycare right now and he can stay there for 1 hour 30 minutes. So we're at the toy store getting him a globe because Tyler is obsessed with globe. He asked for a few things lately. He asked for a globe, he asked for a map, he asked for pilot outfit because if they want to be a pilot, and to be a pilot he have to know the map, the world map. So he's excited about the map. So we're trying to find him a globe or a map of some kind. Get him this one. Yeah. Surprise him with his box. We cover it with the towel. Give Papa the drawing. Now it's your turn to guess. You'll never know. No. No. The first animal look for is Canada. You happy?
Yeah, happy.
Mushroom burger.
Yeah.
So it's no burger meat not in it.
You have burger, you have
Okay.
meat. Then you ask, they ask what else
For the
you want.
filling. Okay. Yeah, that's a burger filling.
No mushroom.
Yes. Alright, that's for Tyler.
Tyler.
Open man, let me see it.
Now I want to taste your pasta.
Yes, you will. Okay, that's mine. That's Tyler's.
This tomato name there.
And that's Babe. Thank you.
This is the food.
This is the line we're gonna have to join after we park to go inside there. The adventure of today. Okay, you guys, we're all strapped. Sorry, something else. So, when I saw that crowd, I decided that I am not gonna take the stroller. I'm gonna strap Sarah on with me. I never leave my strap, okay? So, I strap her on and we are heading to a lunar park. It's light everywhere. It's celebrating some Chinese thing. So we are gonna join this line and get inside. It should be fun, and Tyler is so excited. Look at him. You guys can see some of it from out here. So let's head to this adventure. This should be fun. Here goes the entrance. We finally got our ticket after about 30 minutes, 45 minutes in the line, and now we're going in. We are inside.
I'm going to play. I'm going to play.
You're gonna play what? Okay, so because it's night, all you guys gonna see is the lights and the creation of whatever the lights create. So let's see. There's a line. Isn't that pretty? That is so beautiful. Look at that, honey. There's so much people out here. Jeez, it's full. Wow. This one is the prettiest one I've seen so far. Tyler, you see the dragon? The dragon is so pretty. The dragon is pretty.
After we go back behind her.
Hope you guys are seeing it as beautiful as I'm seeing it.
It says the Great Wall.
Is a Great Wall?
Yeah, look.
Oh, it is.
The Great Wall. And
So it's
it
a Great
looks
Wall
like
of China.
The Forbidden City.
Okay, the Great Wall is at the top. So cool. That's so pretty. Okay, let's carry along because it's a lot of things to see in here. So we have to keep going. You guys can't even see us because it's very dark at the moment. It is now approximately about 7:30 p.m. So there are pandas and more pandas. And pandas on this side too, yeah. And ahead we're going under whatever this is. It's like fishes. Yes. Other fishes in front of us here. Wow. Look at those over there, Ty. Look at all those pandas. How cool. Ty, you see it? Tyler's right here in front of me. Tyler's having a blast. Yes, Pumpkin. See the amount of people? Fish village. I guess it's because it's the night. I'm confused by where I am, honey.
Always confused.
Really?
No way.
Baby, I'm always confused about my way. Ladybug.
Ladybug. Yeah,
Ladybug. Snail. And
don't touch the.
what is this one I call again?
This one, Lima.
I don't remember what it's called.
Slimas.
Caterpillar. Is this one turned to butterfly, Ty?
Oh. And that was so.
Yes, Tyler. I love you too. Ah, look who is awake and looking at all the lights. Look who's awake. Ah. Look, what is that? It's an elephant. It's an elephant. It's an lily. It's an elephant.
It's red.
Elephant.
Regarde à gauche, tu as encore des éléphants.
Look. Tyler, you want to take a picture of this one?
Sit. No.
No. Stand. You tell him sit.
No.